Hello, and welcome to Session 4, demonstrating routing and switching techniques. In this session, we will focus on routing and switching techniques, exploring how routers and switches form the backbone of network communication. You will learn about the core functions of these essential network devices and how they manage data traffic efficiently across local and wide area networks. This session will also help you understand how routing and switching technologies enable reliable and secure data movement, ensuring seamless connectivity between devices and networks. By the end, you will have a clearer insight into how these components work together to support modern network infrastructures. Transmission media are crucial for data transfer. Wired options like twisted pair cables offer reliability. Wireless media provide mobility through radio waves. Networking topology structure device connections. At UK-versity, a star topology connects devices efficiently. Protocols govern data transmission. TCP/IP is fundamental for Internet communication. HTTP and HTTPS facilitate web exchanges. FTP manages file transfers. Routers and switches rely on these protocols for efficient network management. IP addresses identify network devices. IP4 uses 32-bit addresses, while IP6 offers 128-bit scalability. Proper IP configuration is vital for communication. Subnetting divides networks into smaller segments. UK-versity utilizes strategic IP addressing. Subnetting creates manageable network segments. VLSM allows flexible subnet sizes. Efficient IP address usage is achieved. UK-versity configures routers via CLI. This ensures optimal network performance. Router configuration begins with setting host names. Interfaces receive IP addresses. Default routes direct Internet traffic. Configuration is saved for future use. UK-versity ensures routers are correctly set up. Routers follow a specific boot process. Post checks hardware integrity. The iOS is loaded from flash memory. Configuration files are retrieved from NVRAM. If missing, manual setup is required. Routing directs data between networks. Static routing requires manual path definition. Dynamic routing adapts using protocols like RIP. Routers maintain tables of known paths. UK-versity utilizes these techniques for effective routing. Cloud networks virtualize traditional concepts. Azure uses VNets for secure connections. Subnets organize resources logically. NSVs control traffic flow. UK-versity extends connectivity with ExpressRoute. Switches operate at the data link layer. They direct frames based on MAC addresses. Unlike hubs, switches forward data intelligently. VLANs enhance security and performance. UK-versity uses switches for efficient LAN communication. Routers operate at the network layer. They direct packets between networks. Path selection ensures efficient data travel. Security measures protect network integrity. UK-versity's routers connect internal and external networks. Static routing suits stable networks. Dynamic protocols like OSPF adapt to changes. Switch configuration includes VLAN assignment. UK-versity uses these techniques for network efficiency. Proper setup ensures smooth data flow. Core switches manage internal traffic. Routers connect to Internet gateways. This setup optimizes network performance. Network issues require effective troubleshooting. Tools like ping test connectivity. Tracer shows packet routes. Show commands verify configurations. UK Versity technicians ensure network reliability. Network configuration involves data travel understanding. Routers and switches are set up systematically. IP principles guide efficient data movement. Cloud systems like Azure enhance connectivity. UK Versity ensures secure network configurations. Routers store crucial configuration data. Regular backups prevent data loss. Backup methods include NVRM and TFTP. UK Versity ensures minimal downtime with backups. Proper management supports disaster recovery. Backup protects network configurations. It reduces reconfiguration time. Supports disaster recovery planning. UK Versity maintains secure backup practices. This ensures network resilience. Routers offer various backup methods. NVRAM provides local storage. TFTP allows remote backups. USB enables portable storage. UK Versity uses centralized backup solutions. Restoring configurations is straightforward. NVRAM and TFTP facilitate recovery. USB offers additional options. UK Versity ensures quick restoration. This minimizes network downtime. Switches are vital for LAN performance. Configuration backups ensure reliability. VLAN settings require separate management. UK Versity uses SHA for remote access. Proper management supports network stability. Automated backups enhance security. Redundant copies ensure data availability. Regular testing verifies file integrity. Secure protocols protect sensitive data. UK Versity documents configuration changes. In this session, we learned that routing and switching form the backbone of network communication. They ensure efficient, secure, and reliable data flow across systems. By following UK Versity's best practices, we can maintain strong connectivity and effective network management, essential skills for today's digital infrastructures. Thank you for your attention today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp at 07000 484 361,688. Thank you, and see you soon.